This is how you can draw poses of your character starting from a stick figure. Let's do another dancing hippo, but this time from the side. We start with the head and the body, drawing it very roughly. We are trying to find the pose here. Let's go forth and back, finalizing details as well as sketching the rest of the body, finding how the pose feels more natural. We continue to add details as we go along, making it better and better as we go, and deleting the help lines as we did with the main hippo. Finally adding some shading to make the hippo look more three-dimensional. Next to our original hippo character, let's draw a singing hippo. Again, using the same method by keeping the character very sketchy until we find the pose, using the methods of the stick figure to find the pose and the character. Again, we finalize the details as we go along and feel more sure and more secure with the character's posing. We add the details, some textures and shading to make the character feel three-dimensional and fun. We can add some elements like notes and curvy lines to suggest that the music is going smoothly out of his mouth. And because it's summer, we are going to draw a sunbathing hippo. This exercise helps us see how the hippo looks like from different positions. This is a process of discovery because this is our brand new character. So we can change the features, we can extend them, enlarge them or shorten them as we go along. If you want, you can add an extra detail as a towel and a shining sun to make the drawing look fun. The last pose will be a running hippo. By now you know how we go about. We draft the head and the features going one step at a time by finding the pose and how our character looks like from that position. With every drawing, it's going to be easier for you to draw the same character. But it takes some practice. That's why it's very important to draw something every day, and if you draw the same character every day, you'll see how much you improve at drawing this character. This is a so-called character sheet that animators and illustrators use to explore their characters. If you like this video, subscribe and follow for more interesting tutorials.